Amlaki Ekadashi, observed on March 10, 2025, is a sacred day dedicated to the Indian gooseberry, Amla, and Lord Vishnu. But beyond its spiritual significance, this day carries a deep understanding of science, health, and human well being. Ancient sages didn't merely follow rituals, they observed nature, recognized patterns, and designed practices that supported both body and mind. Today, modern science is only beginning to understand what they already knew. The story of King Chitrartha, a journey of renewal. Visuals, artistic depiction of a king seeking wisdom, a sage guiding him, people gathered around an amla tree. In historical texts like the Brahmanda Purana, we find references to King Chitrartha, who was advised by sage Vasishtha to observe Amlaki Ekadashi. Along with his people, he fasted, meditated, and honored the amla tree, a plant revered for its healing properties. Even an unsuspecting hunter, who unknowingly participated in the rituals, experienced a profound transformation. This moment illustrates a fundamental truth: aligning with nature's rhythms brings both physical and spiritual renewal. But what makes this day so unique? Let's explore the scientific wisdom embedded within Amlaki Ekadashi. The science behind Amlaki Ekadashi, Amla, fasting, and mindfulness. Visuals, close-up of Amla fruit, animated infographic showing its high vitamin C content. The Amla fruit, Phyllanthus emblica, is no ordinary plant, it's a nutritional powerhouse. With vitamin C levels higher than oranges, it strengthens immunity, fights inflammation, and protects against infections. Ancient Ayurvedic texts like the Charaka Samhita recognized its antibacterial and anti-aging properties. Modern research confirms the same. But the benefits of Amlaki Ekadashi go beyond the fruit. The fasting observed on this day is an ancient practice that modern science now calls intermittent fasting. By avoiding grains and heavy foods, the body gets a chance to reset, detoxify, and heal. Research shows fasting reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism, and enhances brain function, wisdom that has been followed for thousands of years. And then, there is chanting, the rhythmic recitation of sacred sounds like Om Namo Narayanaye. Science shows that such mantras create a meditative state, lowering stress and calming brain waves. Observing Amlaki Ekadashi, rituals and their significance. Visuals, people performing rituals, offering water to an amla tree, families gathering in devotion. On Amlaki Ekadashi, devotees rise early, bathe in sacred waters, and visit Vishnu temples often located near amla trees. They offer water, prayers, and songs, symbolizing harmony between humans and nature. The night is spent in Jagran, a vigil where families gather, sing devotional songs, and share stories, nurturing a sense of community and mindfulness. Amlaki Ekadashi, a legacy of science and spirituality. Visuals, animation showing the Earth's natural cycles, amla trees growing across generations. This day isn't just a tradition, it's a testament to the timeless knowledge of Hindu philosophy. From the understanding of nutrition and fasting to the psychological impact of rituals, Amlaki Ekadashi showcases how ancient wisdom aligns with modern science. Even as the world changes, the essence of this day remains, reminding us to nourish our bodies, respect nature, and find balance in our lives. Closing thought. Visuals, amla fruit on a tree, people celebrating, the sun rising over a temple. How do you celebrate Amlaki Ekadashi? Have you experienced the benefits of amla or fasting in your own life? Share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your insights. Please subscribe, like and follow us on other social media channels.